I'm Father Robert Ballecer, the Digital Jesuit. I'm here in San Francisco, packing up, getting ready to go back to Rome. And, well, I got a little care package that I wanted to share with you. This is from Kingston. Now, I have been working with Kingston for a long time. In fact, before I was with Twit, I was buying gear from Kingston because I've just been really happy with the quality of their gear. And so they sent me, well, a couple of cool items. This is their Nucleum. This is actually a wonderful USB-C breakout device that allows you to have multiple USB ports, a couple of charging ports, media cards, so on and so forth. I actually took a look at this on, it wasn't before you buy, but definitely on Know How back in the Twit days. But then there's this. Now, I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. I did mention to my good friend David that I wanted to take a look at some Kingston SSDs, and so let's see what he came up with. Okay, now this is the KC600. What I like about this thing, it's a self-encrypting SSD. A lot of these SSDs can be encrypted, but they require you to use the power of the laptop or the desktop in order to be able to do it. This actually includes the hardware. They've got so much powerful gear built into their products that this can do the encryption on its own. So, kind of frees up the computer to do other things. I've also got, let's see, oh, what is this? Oh, this is interesting. Oh, yes, okay, a little goodie bag. Oh, yeah, a Data Traveler 2000. This is my encrypted USB flash drive of choice. This does, again, the encryption on the device, and the memory itself is encrypted. It's not just a passcode to access the flash memory, as you see with some other products. If someone were to desolder the memory chips off of this, they'd still be useless. Oh, I've got two of these 64 gigabyte ones. Oh, yes, SSD goodness. The new KC2500, the A400, and the 2000. So I've got three different types of SSDs here. This is the one I'm running in my system right now. It's the A400, 960 gigabytes, crazy fast. But then you get to the M.2 products, you get to the NVMe products, and these just are fantastic. I mean, they are not just fast, but they are reliable. Again, gotta love it. What else we got in here? Okay, a couple of Kingstons. These are the Canvas Go cards. I've been wondering about this. I play with a lot of 4K cameras now, and often I find that the old SD cards, they're not cutting in anymore. They can record, but it takes forever to get the files off, and I can't use some of the more advanced features like the super slow-mo because the cards just don't transfer fast enough. So this will do it. I mean, these can write up to 170 megabytes per second versus like 30 on some of those others. Old classic, one of my favorites, 128 gigabyte Data Traveler Micro Duo 3C. This is the flash drive that has USB-A on one side and USB-C on the other. So you can swap it between your phone, between your laptop, your desktop. It works for everything. Oh, another Data Traveler. This is an encrypted drive. It's not like the D2 in that it has its own keypad, but it is really powerful, really good for encryption. Then, another Canvas Go. Oh, this is the smaller format, so if you want to do micro SD, you can rock with that. A Canvas React. Ooh, these are the super fast ones. In fact, I got two of these, two 128 gigabyte versions, 285 and 300 megabytes per second. Now, these are the ones that I'm going to have to use into my big camera. Now, all of this gadget goodness, all of this Kingston uber geeky just awesomeness, well, it's not for me. That's right. This is all going to be given away. Now, it's going to take a while because I do have to move back to Rome and I do have to get myself settled back in. But in just a couple of days, I'm going to be giving you all of the rules for the giveaway. Now, it's not just that I'm going to give each one of these away. Kingston has actually said that once I pick the winners, they're going to be combining a couple of these products so that you can get a bit more of the Kingston awesomeness. Now, stay tabbed. Make sure that you're following me on Twitter at twitter.com/PadreSJ. Make sure that you're following me on YouTube. That's youtube.com/DigitalJesuit. And follow the hashtags to find out how you can win one of these in our giveaways for the UberGeek days of Christmas.